Welcome back, wood enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of wood and discover its various types. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast, a DIYer, or simply curious about the different types of wood, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to note that there are countless species of wood out there, each with its own unique characteristics. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the basic types that are commonly used in woodworking and construction. Hardwoods. Oak, known for its strength and durability, oak is a popular choice for furniture and cabinetry. It boasts a prominent grain pattern that adds a touch of elegance to any project. Maple, this light-colored wood is prized for its stability and resistance to warping. It's often used in flooring, cabinets, and cutting boards due to its ability to withstand heavy use. Mahogany, with its rich, reddish-brown hue, mahogany is a highly sought-after wood for high-end furniture and decorative trim. It's known for its natural beauty and excellent workability. Walnut, renowned for its deep, chocolate-brown color, walnut is a favorite among craftsmen. It's commonly used for fine furniture, musical instruments, and intricate wood-turning projects. Softwoods. Pine, as one of the most widely used softwoods, pine offers versatility and affordability. It's often used in construction, framing, and outdoor projects. Pine's light color and soft texture make it ideal for staining and painting. Cedar, cedar wood is prized for its natural resistance to decay and insect infestation. It's commonly used for outdoor furniture, decking, and siding due to its ability to withstand harsh weather conditions. Spruce, spruce is a popular choice for structural applications such as framing and building. It's known for its strength and straight grain, making it an excellent option for construction projects. Fir, fir wood is valued for its strength and durability. It's commonly used in construction, particularly for framing, trim work, and plywood. Remember, these are just a few examples of the many types of wood available. Each type has its own unique qualities, colors, and applications. So, whether you're looking for a hardwood with a distinctive grain pattern or a softwood that's easy to work with, there's a wood out there to suit your need. That concludes our exploration of the basic types of wood. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, happy woodworking!